Today's featured car of the day is a 1968 Corvette convertible with a 427 390 horse engine in it. That was a beautiful restoration in the Silverstone silver with the black interior. And it was definitely a nice car, that's for sure. I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And of course, it was a 4-speed and had the transistorized ignition since it had a radio in it. And as far as the 427s go, in 1968, that's the first year for the C3s, the third generation Corvettes. As far as production numbers go, in 1968, they made 28,566 Corvettes. And of that, 18,630 were convertibles, and only 9,936 were the coupes. So you had almost twice as many convertibles than you do coupes, which is interesting. And this one is the Silverstone Silver, which they made 3,435 total. And as far as the engines go, they made about 15,000 small block 350 engines, of which 9,440 were the L79, which was the 350 horsepower 327. And that was the biggest small block you can get. And as far as the 427, they made 13,251 with the 427 engine. This one is the L36, 390 horse with the single 4-barrel. They made 7,717 of those. And then the L68 was the 427 with the tri-power. They made 1,932 of those. Those both had hydraulic lifters. Then when you go to solid lifters, you get the L71 427. That's 435 horsepower with the tri-power. They made 2,898 of those. And that was a $437 option, which I think you got your money's worth on that one, especially for what they're going for these days. And then they made the L88, the big gun, they made 80 of those. And then also they had the L89, which a lot of people don't know about. That was basically aluminum cylinder heads for the L71 engine. And that was an $805 option. They made 624 of those for, like I said, a total of 28,566 1968 Corvettes total. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.